Are you accidentally touching your YubiKey? Me too, that's why I made this 3D printed cover. It's got two pieces. There's a USB insert that goes into the top part of the USB where the USB shield used to go. That functions as a guard so that you can only tap it when you hit it head on. In order to install the cover, simply insert the USB insert part into the top gap above where the YubiKey is. Be sure to press it fully so it's flat against the laptop. Slide to open, tap to authenticate, and then slide to cover back up. If you don't like the current direction of the slider, first flip it to the back, then slide it out. Bend the insert 90 degrees to the slider and twist to release from the grooves of the slider. Now switch the parts in your hands. Rotate the slider 180 degrees. Put the insert perpendicular to the slider surface and twist to lock into the grooves. Then lie flat and slide into place.